Hey guys, I am Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use American Express gift card on Amazon. So let's get started. So here we are in our Amazon app. And from here, what we're going to do is that we are going to search for a product right here that we want to buy. But what I suggest is that you search for Amazon Reload. In this way, you would be able to fully consume the card that you have. So for example, from here, let's go for reload right here, and you would have this one right here. So you want to tap here on reload now, tap on reload now right there. So as you can see, add funds directly to your Amazon gift card balance. In this case, you can go for a specific amount right here, but let's say our card, the American Express gift card that we have, is just $100. So we're gonna tap $100, and from here tap on buy now. And now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna wait for this one to load. And from here, you wanna tap on add a credit or debit card. And from here, all you have to do is basically just input the details of your credit card. So I'm gonna show you a sample at the side of the screen right here. So you can also just scan your card by tapping here, or you could just provide the card number manually, and the expiration date, the security code, and the name on the card if it has that. So all you have to do is just input the details right here and just tap on add and continue, and it should be all good. You should be able to purchase this and have this fund added into your account just like that, and now you can use that fund to buy anything that you want right here in Amazon. Thank you for watching.